Hey allihopa, I'm Yrsa, photographer and content creator, and today I am out on one of many beautiful boardwalks here in Florida. I brought with me my Sony a7 III, and I'm using the Sigma 105mm 2.8 macro lens. So come with me as I take a closer look at Florida's vegetation. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow me on all of my adventures with and without a camera. I have cherished memories of my childhood days, accompanying my father on his little adventures. Often, these involved simple outdoor scenes. It could be in a yard or just a park, him drinking his coffee while birds' melodies filled the air. He'd identify bird species by their songs, or he'd just enjoy the moment, lost in nature's soothing symphony. Back then, I pondered his deep enjoyment of these moments, yet my desire to join him persisted. Recently, in the past few years, I've grasped why he relished this. Amid today's constant clamor and tech-driven accessibility, I now appreciate these serene breaks. Some days, I yearn to sit on a bench, coffee in hand, immersed in nature's orchestra. Watching the sunrise, its rays touching the awakening earth, fills me with wonder. These quiet moments, disconnecting from bustling society, make me feel connected to something far grander. It's a secret my father understood. And this awareness fuels my craving for more. And that is why I love nature photography. This is my form of meditation, together with Mother Nature and her endless love. Yeah, it's definitely easier using a tripod shooting with a macro lens because you don't get the same shakes as when you do handheld and you try to focus on a small thing, you're like all over the place. This is way easier. That's pretty. I just love being out here. It is so beautiful. The wilder, the better, in my opinion. Alright guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my adventures with or without camera. Until next time, hej då!